So être. So the moment I will conjugate être verb, okay, with I am, you are, he, she is. Répétez après moi. Je suis.
Je suis. Je suis.
Tu es.
Tu
Tu
es.
es.
Tu es.
Il, elle est. C'est clair.
Il, elle est.
Nous sommes. Nous sommes.
Nous sommes.
Vous êtes.
Vous êtes.
Ils, elles sont.
Ils, elles sont.
This is basically my être family verb. If I will say je suis is to I am, répétez après moi. Je suis is to I am. Tu
Je
es to
suis.
you are.
Tu
If
es.
he is to he, she is.
Il, elle est.
We are. Vous êtes is to you are. And ils, elles sont is to they are. Is it clear to you?
Je suis.
Yes.
Up now, over here, what would be the lamp parfait of être? Mademoiselle et monsieur. Lamp parfait of être. Very important. Very important. So we have done être lamp parfait. So what is the formula of lamp parfait? Lamp parfait is your past continuous tense. One thing I am going to repeat one more time. Past continuous tense. Or if I use like this, I used to work. If you will say I used to work, okay? I used to go. Sentences will fall under the category of lamp parfait. Like I used to work, I used to go, and I was working, I was going there. So these type of sentences will fall under the category of lamp parfait. Say Claire, is it clear to
Yes.
you? So what is the formula of lamp parfait? Repeat after me. AIS, AIS, AI,
Yes.
IONS, IEZ, and
A-
AIENT. Is it clear to you? So
Yes,
basically,
sir.
this is the formula of lamp parfait. AIS, AIS, AIT, IONS, IEZ,
Yes.
and AIENT. So what would be my être lamp parfait? Répétez après moi. J'étais.
J'étais.
This is my lamp parfait. J'étais. Very important. I will say it's been. It's been. You say in English it's been. It's been.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Because let me explain you one more time. In my TEF, why I am focus on your lamp parfait. Why? Because in your TEF writing task, section A is based upon your lamp parfait. Claire. So j'étais, tu étais, répétez après moi. J'étais, tu étais. Is it
You.
clear? So basically, ending is what? AIS, AI, AIT, IONS, IEZ, and AIENT. So in order to make my lamp parfait, the ending is same. AIS, AIS, it is just I will insert ET. That is, it's been. Say Claire, I was having, I was, j'étais, tu étais. Claire, it is
Yes, sir.
okay. Tu étais. Say Claire. Is it clear to you, Abhinav?
Yes.
Elle était. Claire. Nous étions. Why nous étions? Because we have IONS ending, right? Vous étiez. Now, please don't forget these endings and H conjugation of lamp parfait and il, elle, étaient. Say Claire. Is it clear to you?
Yes.
Clear? Clear?
Yes.
Now, for example, we have avoir verb, right? Avoir. Avoir is my verb to has have. Avoir is my verb to has have. So what is my our conjugation of in terms of present? Tell me, Simmer, our conjugation in terms of present. Simmer, our conjugation, present our conjugation.
Yes, it's
होना चाहिए वो j'ai, tu as, कोई बात नहीं, we are doing practice. So tips पे j'ai is to I have. So because Simmer, then only we can speak the language out. Claire, tu as
yes.
have
Il, elle, a.
is to he, she has. Claire, nous
Yes.
avons.
Nous avons. Vous avez.
Vous avez is to you
Il,
have. Claire,
il,
and elles
elle,
ont
ont.
to they
Ils
have.
ont.
Claire, now répétez après moi. J'ai, tu as,
J'ai.
tu
Tu
as,
as.
il, elle a,
Il, elle, a.
nous avons,
Nous avons.
vous avez,
Vous avez.
ils, elles ont.
Ils, elles ont.
C'est clair, okay? Now,
Yes, sir.
what would be the lamp parfait of my avoir? Avoir lamp parfait. So, now, this formula, like we have to take no conjugation, ONS, remove होगा और ending आपका आ जाएगा. Say Claire. So, Jave is to I had. Say Claire. Tu
Yes.
avais. Tu avais. Say Claire. Il, elle, समझ आ रहा है आपको? Simmer.
Yes, sir.
Komal.
Il, elle, avait.
Komal, is it clear to you?
यस सर, लेकिन हम लोग वो ओ आई आर को हटाकर यू नहीं लगाते थे, ए यू.
क्या कह रहे हो? नहीं, वो था हमारा फ्यूचर था. वो हमारा फ्यूचर था. ये हमारा लैम्प पार्फे है. वो तो फ्यूचर में करते हैं हम. क्लैर,
ओके.
कंफ्यूज नहीं होना. ये अभी हम लैम्प पार्फे कर रहे हैं. क्लैर, लैम्प पार्फे. सो जावे, tu avais, il, elle avait, nous avions. Claire, is it clear to you?
यस.
Vous,
Sir, Lampafe means past tense.
lem parfait means past continuous tense, right?
Okay, past continuous.
Yes, I will. I will say, okay. I was having. Say Claire. So you were having, or I will say I used to have. Say Claire. So nous avions, vous aviez, il, elle, avaient. So basically, formula is same. AIS, AIS, AIT, IONS, IEZ, and AIENT. So j'avais, tu avais, il avait, nous avions, vous aviez, and elles avaient. Say Claire, it is clear
यस.
to you? Clear? So basically,
यस.
these are my ending. Now, देखो अब मैं आपको एक चीज समझाऊंगा. Let's make a sentence. Yes. शायद हमने सिविल मैंने आपसे दोबारा पहले किया हुआ है, लेकिन लेट्स रिपीट इट बिकॉज प्रैक्टिस वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर कॉमल. नाउ रेप आपने वो कुछ चीजें आपको बताऊंगा बिकॉज यू नो इन ऑर्डर टू स्पीक फ्रेंच समथिंग यू हैव टू बी वेरी यू नो you will get a touch of the language. See, language is not about I will give some words and you will learn and you can speak. No, you will get a touch of the language. So whatever I am going to explain to you, just take a touch and speak like this. Rep chapter 1, l'amour,
L'amour.
l'amour,
L'amour.
coupe the foot, l'amour, coupe
Coupe.
the foutre,
Coupe the foot.
l'amour, coupe the foutre, very, very important. L'amour, we have love. L'amour, we have love.
Oh.
Is it clear to you, mademoiselle? L'amour. L'amour coupe the food is something like, you know, you fall in love at a first sight love. So coupe the food is your first sight. Say Claire.
Yes.
Sir, l'amour means the love or just love.
L'amour is love. l'amour is love. L'amour, the love. You know,
Okay.
whenever we say, I get attached with one of the girl in a very first sight. Claire, that is my l'amour coupe de foudre. Say, Claire, coupe de
Yeah.
foudre is something like first sight, love at first sight. Coupe de foudre is a phrase, coupe de foudre. Now, for example, you saw a girl in the past, right? And the moment you saw the girl, you say, wow, I just fallen in love with that girl. So that is l'amour coupe de foudre. Say, Claire. Say, Claire. Now, let's
Yes, sir.
see. There is an histoire. Répétez après moi. Histoire. Il y avait, मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ? Il y avait. Répétez après moi. मेरे साथ बोलो. Il y avait. Il y avait.
Ilyavi.
Il y avait. Okay, let me plug in my charger. 1 second. Yeah? Okay. Il y avait coupe de foudre. Il y avait coupe de... Now, histoire. Répétez après moi. Histoire. L'imagination. Répétez après moi. L'imagination.
Histoire.
Imagination. Now, what is this? Listen to me very carefully. Il y avait and Ilya. Now, basically, my teammates, Ilya. Ilya is basically there is and there are. Ilya. Ilya is pen down, please. There is now. The session is very important. And one more thing, my teammates, after this class, I will share the recording of our session also. But apart from this, I will share 6 recordings. I will share 6 recordings. That's my previous sessions. I want you to watch this. You know what? How you will get a hold in the language? Because the moment we are running with the batches, and you'll get a live session video of my previous batches, and you will watch this, it means you will get a grip in the language. Because the more you will watch the sessions, live sessions, the more you'll get a strong hold. Say, Claire, is it clear
Yes,
to
sir.
you? So after this session, I will share my 5-6 live sessions with you. I want you to watch this and pen down in Notepad and send me your homework. Because then only we can, there's a very best way to come up with, to get up myself with a good level. Say, Claire.
Yes,
Example.
sir.
If I will not share 5-6 videos, the live session, and definitely you will understand it out. That's a basic, basically more than basic, and you will capture those entire session. If I will not share, and you have ample of time, for example, like for example, you have 2 hours, 3 hours. So the moment you will watch 3 or 4 sessions, it means my 3-4 days will get cut off, and I will be fastened in my process. Say, Claire. Okay,
Yeah.
and you will get a strong hold in the language as soon as possible. So il y avait is there has been, past. Ilya is there is and there are. Il y avait is il y avait. You know, there has been. C'est la passé, past. Il y avait. Répétez après moi. Il y avait. Répétez après moi.
Ilyavi.
There was, there has been, there was. Say, Claire, there has, had, there was. Il y avait. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Now, for example, Ilya is present. Il y avait is your l'em parfait. You will say, uh, there. Now, for example, you will say, il y avait. Il y avait. Il y avait. It means there has. It means no, there, not there has. That's a past of there has. There was, you can say. There has been, you can say, because that's a past. There was. Say, Claire. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Now, par exemple, today I will explain to you comment on peut utiliser l'imparfait dans notre phrase. Comment on peut utiliser l'imparfait, comment on peut calculer l'aime parfait dans cette phrase? Comment on peut créer l'histoire et l'imagination? How we can create history and imagination avec l'aide de l'aime parfait, with the help of l'aime parfait. Now, listen to it very carefully. अच्छा, वो comprenez, आपको समझ आया ये क्या था? समझ आया आपको?
Yes.
Now, répétez après moi. एक history चल रही है. There's a history going on. Now, for example, one old man is saying to you. Now, for example, one old man is married, okay, and he said, yes, I met with your grandmother on this and this time. The moment I saw your grandmother before the marriage, so it was something like a cook the food pour moi for me. So it means he's telling his histoire. Say Claire, tell me yes or no. So let's see.
Yes.
Répétez après moi, j'étais. Répétez après moi, j'étais. ये समर हमने पहले किया आपके साथ, सीवर मैंने किया पहले आपके साथ ये वाला?
No, sir.
अच्छा,
It's for the first time.
j'étais. Répétez आप, j'étais.
J'étais.
Être, l'imparfait. C'est clair? J'étais
Yes.
être l'imparfait. J'étais dans une boulangerie. Dans une boulangerie. Dans une boulangerie. I'm saying. Now, for example, I will say, I was in the bakery shop. J'étais dans une boulangerie. I was in the bakery shop. Say Claire.
Yes, sir.
Tell me yes and no.
Yes.
Say Claire. I'm not clear to you.
Yeah.
Dans une. See, one old man is saying, is creating the. Now he's explaining your history. Like मैं एक बार when I was in the bakery shop. J'étais dans une boulangerie. Okay. Et देखो सारा लैम्प पार्फे है. Je faisais, répétez après moi. Je faisais la queue. Now what is this? Faisait. Mademoiselle, we have verb faire. Faire is my verb to do. Faire is my verb to do. The moment I will conjugate faire verb, you know, with I do, you do. Je fais is to I do. That's my present tense. Claire. Tu
Yes, sir.
is to you do. Say Claire. Present tense. Il, elle fait is to he, she does. Claire. Nous faisons is to we do. Vous faites is to you do. And ils, elles font is to they do. So répétez après moi. This is my present tense basically. Je fais, tu fais,
You fais.
il, elle fait,
Elle fait.
nous faisons,
Nous faisons.
vous faites,
Vous faites.
ils, elles font.
Elles
Elles font. Is it clear to you? Now, par
Yeah.
example, if I will make faisons with my l'aimes parfait, Claire, I will take, because we have to take new conjugation and eliminate ONS, and we can add AIS. So, je faisais. Je faisais is I used to work, I used to, you know, I was working. Or faisais. Je faisais, tu faisais. Say Claire.
Yes, sir.
Can you do that? Il, elle faisait. कर लोगे आप fair conjugation? Tell me yes and no.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Say Claire. Now, he's saying je faisais la queue. I was making in the queue. Say Claire. I was in the line, so I was making in the queue. Say Claire. J'étais dans une boulangerie. Je faisais. देखो मैं क्या आपको बता रहा हूँ, सेक्शन जो ए है आपका राइटिंग टास्क जो आता है टीईएफ में, ओवर देयर यू हैव टू क्रिएट योर हिस्ट्री लाइक histoire en passé. Vous devez créer, you have to create histoire, history en passé, in past. So in that case,
So I have a question. How would you write in French? You were waiting.
waiting, yes, attendre. Attendre, we have verb to wait. I will say, you were waiting, tu
You.
attendais. Tu attendais. Because we have verb attendre. You were waiting, right?
Yeah.
So, tu attendais. So, because attendre, we have verb to wait. So, what is my conjugation of attendre? J'attends. Répétez après moi. J'attends. C'est clair. Tu attends. C'est clair. Because this is my conjugation of attendre. Mademoiselle et monsieur. Attendre. Attendre, we have verb to wait. Attendre. Claire. Now,
Yeah.
what? Now, first, let me explain to you the present tense, right? Now, this is my RE ending verb. So, formula of, pen down, please. The formula of RE ending verb is S blank ONS EZENT. Clear? So, I have to eliminate RE. इसका practice करना है बहुत ज़्यादा. J'attends, tu attends, elle attend, c'est clair. Nous attendons, yes. Nous attendons, c'est clair. Vous attendez, c'est clair.
Yes, sir.
And elle.
Attends.
I'm saying you were waiting. What I will do? I will pick the formula of attendons. And over here we have AIS is j'attendais, c'est clair. And tu attendais, c'est clair. That is, you were waiting. C'est clair. Tu attendais, you were waiting. Tu attendais, c'est clair. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
So this is your histoire. C'est clair. Now,
So जैसे he, she और I, you के लिए सब औतौंदे ही रहेगा सबके लिए या
no,
चेंज
no,
होगा
no,
जैसे
no, 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 no. I will explain to you. Where formula is what of lamb parfait? AIS, AIS, AIT, IONS, IEZ, and AIENT. This is a formula of lamb parfait. With my je, I can say j'attendais, AIS, clair, ending. With my tu, again with my AIS ending, but with my il, clair, with my he, she, we have attendez, AIT ending. Clair?
Okay.
With my
Yeah.
nous attendions, IONS ending. Attendions. C'est clair. Why? Vous attendiez. C'est clair. Is it clear to you? And
Yes. One more question. जैसे जो AIS, AIS, AIT ये सभी तीनों टाइप की verbs के लिए ऐसा ही होगा कि सिर्फ ये
Sabi,
RE
yes, exact. Very good. This ending would be applicable for entire verbs in French. Claire?
Okay.
C'est clair?
Yeah.
Tous les verbes, nous appliquons c'est le même type de formulaire. C'est le même type de technique. C'est clair? Why? The same type of technique will be applicable in every verb. It could be ER, IR, RE. C'est clair? Why? C'est clair?
Yeah.
So, il, elle, j'attendais. C'est clair. Is it clear to you? Why?
We.
So, I'm just making a history now. For example, I'm an old guy. I'm telling you and you're my kids. So, I'm saying to you, what? J'étais dans une boulangerie. J'étais dans une boulangerie. J'étais dans une boulangerie. I will say I was in the boulangerie shop, in the bakery shop. Why? Je faisais La queue. I was in the queue. Say Claire. Now
Yeah.
I'm telling your grandmother. For example, I'm your grand. For example, I'm an old guy, so I'm saying L. L. I'm talking for the my coupe de foudre. My coupe de foudre. Say Claire.
Both. Yes, sir.
We.
Say Claire. L is my coupe de foudre. I will say L, sir. Dirige. Very important. L, sir. Dirige. What is this? My teammates, we have verb dirige. Dirige is my full verb. Dirige. Dirige is my verb to, you know, to lead. If you will say, moving towards. Dirige. She was just, you know, moving towards. Dirige is basically to lead, but dirige is my verb. We can say as to moving towards. Elsa dirige. So she's moving towards. She was moving towards then. Elsa dirige. Say Claire, AIT ending. Tell me yes or no.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Elsa dirige. Say Claire. Where? Towards. Where? La sortie. Repte après moi. I will now you will come to know a lot of vocab and how to conjugate. La sortie avec sa baguette, avec sa baguette, baguette à la main. La sortie. Sortie is your exit point. La sortie. La sortie is your exit point. I'm saying she was moving towards the exit. Elle se dirigeait. C'est clair? Elle se dirigeait vers la sortie. She was moving towards the exit point with baguette. We can say her handbag. You know her bag. We call it baguette. À la main, in the hand. À la main, in the hand. I will explain to you the preposition what is à la. I will explain to you. Don't worry. Elle se dirigeait. She was moving towards the exit with the handbag in the hand. Is it clear to you? Say Claire.
Yes, sir.
Now let me explain to you the preposition again now. This are, mademoiselle, try to understand, very important. Are, we have a preposition which is in, at, and to. Are, we have a preposition which is in, at, or to. Is it clear to you? Are. Say Claire. Are, we have a preposition which is in, at, or to. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Why? So basically, mademoiselle et monsieur, we have three type of article in French. The, right? The. We have three type of the in French. Répétez après moi. Le, la, les. Répétez après moi. Le, la, les. Is it clear to you? Le, la, les.
Live.
Clear? Why?
Yeah.
So whenever you have a male masculine the, which is la, female the, which is la, and plural, which is le. Is it clear to you? Claire?
Yes, sir.
One thing you have to understand, if I will say in the, at the, in the, so what I can do, la, because that la can be a masculine. I can say la, because that la can be a feminine, and le, that le can be a plural. Is it clear to you? Tell me yes and no.
Yes, sir.
We.
Claire? Now over here, a plus la, a plus la, and a plus le. Is it clear to you? Claire? A plus la is never exist in French. One thing you have to understand. If you have a plus la combined, that is never exist in French. A plus la formula we can make O. So A plus la converted into O. Say Claire, tell me yes and no. Why? A plus la is converted into ala. Say Claire. Is it clear to you?
Yes.
A plus la is yes, exists in French. Allah. Yes. Allah. Say Claire. Yes. But A plus lay never exists in French. So A plus lay is converted into AUX. Say Claire. Tell me yes or no.
Yes.
Yeah.
Is it clear to you? Now over here I'm using a la main. Main is my hand and hand is my feminine in French. So in the hand, a la main. Say Claire. Tell me yes and no. So elle
Yes.
dirige vers la sortie avec sa baguette à la main. Is it clear to you? Tell me yes and no. She was moving
Yes.
towards dirige. Now my teammates, you have a form. We have a verb. Dirige is to moving towards. Say Claire. Is it clear to you? Claire?
Yeah. What does ma means?
Ma is basically hand. Your hand. Ma. Ma is your hand. Hand.
Okay.
Say Claire. Ma. I'm saying Elsa dirige. She was moving towards where? Towards. Moving, leading towards. Where is my towards? Where? La sortie, the exit. Now, for example, what I would say,
Um,
uh,
but how would we know which thing is feminine and which is masculine?
yes, very good question. Now, for example, what I would say, I forgot your name again. Your name,
Abhinav.
Abhinav, yeah. Abhinav, for example, you will say in Hindi, मेरी कार बहुत अच्छी है, right? And I am a German guy. I do not know Hindi. I will say मेरा कार बहुत अच्छा है. तब लोग यार क्या हिंदी बोल रहे हैं, इसको हिंदी नहीं आती. And I'm a German guy, and I say why you used मेरी कार अच्छी है. Why it can't be मेरा कार अच्छा है? Tell me the reason. You will say यार it's my language. You have to learn this thing by heart. Again उनको सिर्फ मैम कहती हूँ. It's the same question. You have to understand this thing by heart, and slowly and gradually you will come to know. I understand there's a challenging task for a beginners, yes, but slowly and gradually, the moment you do practice with me, because I will give you a lot of things, lot of things, Claire, and you will come to know. Say Claire. I understand you cannot be grab with 100%. Even French guy also, he will not cop up. Even for example, we are the professor. Sometimes we get also confused in some of the situations. But yes, that's fine. We have to cope up with this because that's their language. Say Claire. Why? Say Claire Abhinav.
We
Why? So Elsa dirige, she was moving. Dirige. Understand one verb which is dirige is a very good vocab of TEF because these are the vocab which we use. Dirige. So Elsa dirige. She was moving back towards the exit. The exit, la sortie. Exit is always your feminine. La sortie. Now, for example, Abhinav, you were standing in the queue of the boulangerie and you saw a girl. Et vous êtes tombé à l'amour. You've fallen down in the love. But the moment you saw that girl, she was leaving the exit with the bagat, the bag à la main in the hand. C'est clair. Vous
yeah.
comprenez? Vous comprenez? Why? Clear हुआ आपको ये चीज? Tell me yes or no.
Yes.
Yes.
Now, because he's just telling the story. Say Claire.
Mm-hmm.
Whenever
Yeah.
you create the story in past, that should be in lamp parfait. Then he will say,
So the section, this section will be in the past. We have to make a story in the section.
exactly. आपको क्या होगा? बताता हूँ आपको अभिनव क्या होगा. For example, I will say, vous avez vu la fille. You have seen the girl. La belle fille, the beautiful girl. La belle fille. Make a story. आपको अपनी स्टोरी यहाँ से स्टार्ट करनी है फिर. For 80 words. You have to write only 80 words. Clear?
Yeah.
So, सबसे पहले for this reason मैं आपको लैम्प पार्ट बिकॉज आप जो पास्ट में बनाना है आपको कि you have seen the girl, beautiful girl, make a story. So for this reason I'm going to explain to you encore again and again लैम्प पार्ट और मैं को बहुत सारी स्टोरीज कराऊंगा. ये हम स्टोरी कर रहे हैं so that you'll come to know like diriger is my verb to moving towards. Say Claire how it works. Say Claire why.
Yes.
But provided आपको इसका प्रैक्टिस करना है. Claire, is it clear to you? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then you will say no regards. Okay. Then you will say Nana. Then you say j'ai eu le souffle court. J'ai eu. Répétez après moi. J'ai eu. J'ai
Yeah.
eu le souffle. Répétez après moi. Le souffle. Le souffle court.
The souffle.
You know, souffle court क्या है? समझ आ रहा है मैं क्या करूं? हाँ. This is your souffle court. आपका ब्रेथ रुक जाता है. हैरान. Say Claire. Say what is souffle court. वो कह रहा है मैं हैरान हो गया था. What is j'ai? I will explain to you now. What is j'ai? Répétez après moi. Very important because this is again your past. Listen to me very carefully because we are in the intensive portion and today you will come to know a lot of things. Now, for example, you will say our conjugation, Claire. So, our is my has have, right? Our past is my you had.